Welcome to the comprehensive guide to Axie Infinity Axie Classes Overview. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding the different Axie classes is crucial to building a strong team and succeeding in the game. There are 9 Axie classes in total, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. The classes are Beast, Aquatic, Bird, Reptile, Plant, Bug, Mech, Dawn, and Dusk. Each Axie has a class, which determines its stats, abilities, and playstyle. The Beast class is known for its high health points and is often used as a tank. The Aquatic class excels in speed and agility, making it ideal for quick attacks. The Bird class is a well-rounded class with balanced stats, while the Reptile class is known for its high attack power. The Plant class is a defensive class with high shield points, making it ideal for absorbing damage. The Bug class is a support class with abilities that can buff allies and debuff enemies. The Mech class is a high damage class with abilities that can deal massive damage. The Dawn and Dusk classes are hybrid classes that combine the strengths of other classes. When building a team, it is essential to consider the strengths and weaknesses of each class. A well-rounded team should have a mix of classes to cover each other's weaknesses. For example, a team with a Beast as a tank, an Aquatic as a speedster, and a Plant as a shield can be very effective. It is also important to consider the Axie's stats, such as health points, attack power, and speed. Each Axie has 4 stats, and understanding how they work together is crucial to building a strong team. In addition to classes and stats, Axies also have abilities, which are unique skills that can be used in battle. Abilities can be used to attack, defend, or support allies, and are a key part of building a strong team. In conclusion, understanding the different Axie classes is essential to building a strong team and succeeding in Axie Infinity. By considering the strengths and weaknesses of each class, building a well-rounded team, and understanding stats and abilities, players can improve their chances of success in the game. Remember to always keep learning and adapting to the game's meta, and don't be afraid to experiment with different team compositions and strategies.